All right, so today we're reviewing the HADAT Liquid Silk Treatment. This is a fantastic hair mask. And so let me open it up. Packaging is beautiful. You've got this really nice, thick, almost like mud. If you were putting a really deep, thick charcoal mask on your face, is the consistency of this material. And the smell on this is just luxurious. That's the only way that I can describe it. So it's like you went and spent $500 at the hair salon and had a really nice hair treatment. As far as how you use this, put it on in the shower. So after you've shampooed, go ahead and add it. So if you're sitting in the shower and the hot water's on and you've got the moisture in the air and it's steaming, then you're gonna leave it on for a period of 10 minutes. So just completely saturate your hair and then just leave it on for 10 minutes. Now, if you get your hair wet and you're not using a heat source, so maybe your hair's wet, it's just regular temperature water, and you put it on and maybe you're walking around doing errands or something in your house, then you're gonna leave it for 15 minutes before you wash it out. Honestly, the easier option is just in the shower, maybe put it on, you've got 10 minutes, maybe you do a treatment or something on your face, and you're just letting the steam and the heat element let this be able to saturate into the hair follicles. So my daughter has used it most recently. She's used it a couple different times, and you can just tell the moisture that's in her hair. It's just extremely healthy. So this helps with split ends. This helps with the overall growth and treatment of the hair. It's got really good volume to it, and overall it helps with a lot of breakage. She uses a lot of product. She uses a lot of heat on her hair, which of course we know damages it. Plus she's also had highlights and the bleach effect to the hair. So we know that's gonna cause damage too. So if you are looking for something to help repair your hair that feels and smells like $1,000,000, highly recommend that you try this out.